Hi, welcome to my channel. Today is a nice Thursday and I just got a work bag from Longchamp and I'm trying out my tripod for the first time. So let's go to this unboxing. Yeah, so I got the size large tote. So let's check it out. It's a pretty reasonable size here. It just came in the box like this. I'm really loving this evergreen color, and the history of these bags for me is that I've always wanted one of these for like 5 or 6 years. I would see these in girls in the United States, and I kind of forgot about it for a while, but I don't know, I still just kind of want one, and for a nice work bag because I've been carrying a backpack for a year now and I just want something different. So let's take a look. I like how clean and neat it is, like the design aesthetic of the box. So yeah, I'm excited because I'm into brown right now. It's nice and pretty paper. And voila! Here we have it. Okay, so yeah, it has like a nice big handle. So new. Well, it says, yeah, Le Pliage shopping. So it has some inscription back there. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm excited to open it up and see how big it gets, because yeah, I'm not sure if I'll remember how to fold this again, but hopefully I do. Wow, I'm surprised it's not that large. I guess, let's see. So yeah, I'm definitely glad I got the large size. I was wondering, I read the dimensions and I think it said 30 centimeters on the bottom, which is not that much. I'm like, did they give me the right bag? Because it's kind of not so big. Let's see how it is when it opens up. And I'll get a bag to compare. So, I don't know. I feel like the size is not that large. Let's see, to compare. I don't think it's not as large as this bag. For example, this bag is bigger. I can tell already. My Gucci bag's bigger. But maybe they're about the same size, but dark color makes it look bigger. So yeah, I'll be checking this. I'm like, did they send me the right one? Like, the receipt's kind of in French, so yeah. But as you can see, I have some work trousers on, and I guess it looks big on my body. I don't know what I was expecting, but I need something to put my laptop and some of my binders, my data folders in. So yeah, let's see. I have the tripod going, so I mean, the size is it's pretty reasonable and nice. Yeah, I like navy, and it's kind of like my school colors. I'm doing my doctorate, doing my PhD, so you always find what bags work for you, and I don't really like taking the Gucci bag into work. So yeah, it's pretty. It'd be nice to bring my laptop and some other things. So yeah, let me know what you think and enjoy.